Alright, yes sir, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. As you can see, we got the work van out, the workhorse, 02 Astro van, Chevy Astro van. It broke down on me, man. It's been a while since I broke down. But what's going on is the fuel pump went out on me. So I'm gonna just show you how I'm gonna drop this fuel tank. And I'm gonna do it with a transmission jack. Filled this thing up this morning and it broke down on me. I'll show you what we got going on. No start. Crank, no start. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and get it up in the air, get it lifted so we can go ahead and do what we need to do. Just like that. That's how I'm gonna work with it. Alright, we up under it. That's the fuel filter. We're gonna replace that as well. That's the fuel tank. Let's see how big it is. Got our jack, transmission jack up under it. I'll show you what I did. Put it right up under here. Made room for that. Those straps to come down. Those are 15mm bolts holding the straps up. All right. Took this flathead. Undid that flathead right there off the fuel line. See how that thing full of fuel. Took that off there. And this here. And we down just like that. Transmission jack, holding it in position. Got our canister. It's right here, evap canister. I already took that hose off. You just squeeze it right there. Took that end off right there off that evap vent valve. And I'm gonna see what else we got. This wire here goes up onto the fuel pump. Like, and that's it right there. Those connectors right there, got them out. Those two. Next we gotta get out these. Gotta push these tabs in on both sides and squeeze them in and pull them. That's how these fuel lines come out. That's both of the lines. This thing should be able to drop down now. And there we go, man. This thing dirty. It's my first time ever replacing it, and I'd had it over about 5 years, about 6 years probably. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this down, clean it up before we expose the tank. Want nothing jumping off in there, no debris. And oh yeah, those straps, let me get over here. I want to point out with these straps, you see we got bolts that hold both sides. It's not just one. So I just wanted to show that. Got it cleaned up. And we got to pop this snap ring, this lock ring loose. Gonna hit it to the left, and it will pop right up. So this one did need to remove that one, so this can detach from here, or you can just do it like that for the time being. Then we can get it off. That pry bar gonna help you with that hammer. Knock that loose. That thing full of fluid, full of fuel. Alright, that's the old one. Look at that strainer. That thing look caked up. And that fuel pump, that's the part number. This one cost, it's at AutoZone, and it cost me what? It's listed for $100, like 97 something. So I paid like $100 or something for it. They do have another one, the Delphi. It's a little more, but this should do it. God, man. See that strainer? Don't look nothing like the other one. And it look like we got a harness connector. I don't know if we gotta rewire this one, but we're gonna see. Gonna see. Probably so. Look, that right there is different from that there. So we upgrading pretty much to that one so it can fit here. So we got a little wiring to do. Shouldn't be too tough. Alright, that's that leveler on there. All right, we got our gasket here. We want to make sure we put that one. Take the old one out, put the new one in. It's the old one. A little different. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ring on, the lock ring. Alright, we locked in place. Go ahead and take this off here. You want to put the I want to take these off. Make sure you put them on a new one. So I undid it because it was positioned a little close to that, so I had to get it right, get the angle right. Now we can lock it in place. See, I got the holes on there now, and we in there. All right, ready to upgrade this wire harness. Okay, so this is the wires. This is the connector right here. Got 4 wires. Got 4 wires on that one. And they give you a little kit, a little crimp it. Connect them. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Got all those crimped. Now we're gonna connect. So we're gonna put these sleeves on first. Got them on like that. So when we connect, we can just slide them over it and add the heat. We got them all matched up. They pretty much color coded. Now we can pull these sleeves over and melt it. And just like that. I'm gonna do that like that, just tape it up. Alright, now we're ready to go up. Tough part is gonna be getting the tank back on the jack. So we're gonna get it. Alright, we got it up under there. This is what I'm doing. I slide it up under. Got the jack behind it. I'm gonna try to lift up this back end and get it on top with all this gas in it.
A few moments later.
Alright, we getting there. Got the end on it. It was tough. I'm out of breath. But it's on there. Now we just gotta maneuver it on all the way. I'm probably tilt this because this platform can tilt. So I'll make it go forward a little. That way I can push it on some more. Oh, we got it up. That was tough. I ain't gonna lie. But that tilt on this, see how I got it tilted forward? That thing worked. If it wasn't for that, I'd be struggling. Alright, we going in. Look everything else up. So I went ahead and put a strap on it because this thing moving around too much for me. So should work a little better.